Alright, some modifications made to this Troy-built TB42, like a lot of the Troy-builts. Had a 46-inch deck. I went back with a 42-inch deck, which it's supposed to have, but this one didn't come off of this one, and it came off of a different one similar. It might have been a Troy-built. So I had issues about the regular 97-inch or 96-inch belt wasn't fitting in that last setting where it was before, so I ended up having to put it up to the front one right there, and that worked. But the belt rolled around. Now I was going through heavy stuff, but you don't want to have to replace the belt after one mow. So what I did was I went back. Now again, I mean, this might work. I don't have the original equipment, but I do have a B100, which makes it a 5/8 by 103, and this actually allows it to stop, and the brakes stop it, and it free spins, and then it engages with the PTO like it should. So going with a makes it 103 versus a 96-inch for a 1/2 inch. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait. Let's see. So hold on, let me do the math. Looks like for this lever type, maybe a 7-inch difference will work. I like going with the thicker belts. You definitely won't have the spin issue that you do with these other ones that they just get the 1/2 inch ones. These pulleys are so, they fit in there so tight. They definitely can handle a 5/8. You just have to find the right length to make sure it can free spin. That's where I did a pulley swap on one of these before, and I put an electronic clutch on it. Okay, the other modifications I made to this, oh great. Is this modification right here, which that was not supposed to happen. And I have that right there. And that was glued on there. I might have to re-glue it. I think that's how it was, like that, just so that I could get this easier to find filter on. That style just cut it off from an old one, and then as you can see, just routed that, and then the hood normally will close and open without it catching, but it caught that time. Probably don't need to, probably that's a good thing to be able to be removable like that. That's a good tight fit right there. I don't think it's gonna, it definitely isn't gonna pop off because of the hood being there. Put a lot of work into this. Mower changed out the spindles because they were wore down by sand. Let me see if I can find these. It's probably one of the worst ones I've seen. Oh, let's see. They were almost, I wouldn't say almost worn too, but it was really bad. Yeah, look at that. So, put a whole lot more work into this than what it was worth and what I get out of it. Had to check. I mean, you should have seen it. It was just in awful shape. The deck. I mean, I couldn't go back with the other deck because it was rusted through. So you're going to have people that are going to come to you. They bring to you a completely trashed out motor and expect you to fix it for $50. So, but had to go through this motor and redo the valves. With this style motor, I really had a tough time getting the adjusting the choke. I mean the governor, but I like it now. I like how it runs. It goes through uh, uh, thick stuff really quick. Really cuts good and governs up the way it should. So it's turned out to be a whole lot better than what it was.